Okay, guys, it's slime in microwave part 2. And I was going to show you how the slime looks after it's in the microwave. And if you haven't watched part 1, make sure you go watch it. Probably like on that side. If you're on iPad, probably on that side. If you're on computer, probably on that side. If you're on laptop, probably on that side. Okay. So, let's show you how it turned out. Yes, and it's wet, kind of stretchy. Okay, and it's kind of stretchy. Okay, everyone, shh, be quiet, right? This is good. Okay, ready? Shh. Okay, so, oh my god, I hate when slime gets on my hand. So annoying. So annoying. So annoying. So annoying. Okay. Okay, look at this. Right now it's 1:44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, that's just how much minutes I've done. Okay, and I'm just looking at it. Okay, so this one has lots of air bubbles. I wish you guys can just like feel it right now. Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh, I win. Oh, look at these bubbles. Okay. You know, this is so annoying. What happened? Oh, never mind. What's in here? I don't even know. I think that was my drink from earlier. I don't know. I had an Orbeez that grows really big from the scientist that gave me at school. But then after, I had it for a week and it wouldn't grow. So the scientist had it this big and mine was this big and it didn't grow at all. So this is what I done. I squished it after I chucked it in the bin. Rest in peace, Orbeez. Okay. That was so weird. Okay, guys. Try and find out where I am. Oh, wait, guys. I want to do something. I need a blanket. Okay, wait, hold up. Okay, guys. I'm back. Well, actually, I need one more. And I'm back again. Wait, which one's bigger? Wait, this one's bigger, sadly. This one. Okay, guys, I'm gonna disappear. So, get. I'm back. Hello. Okay, I want to show you something. Ready? So, go. My cousin taught me this. Ready? So, go. It's really simple. So what you do, okay, so you go like this, okay? After you put this one down and this one up. Get it? Get it? Kind of? Okay, I want to do the magic trick again. It's actually kind of fun. Okay. Probably I should do it this way. Okay, ready? Set. Go. Oh, guys, dang it, you saw me. Okay, ready? Set. Come on! It wouldn't work anymore. Oh, guys, I'm trying not to laugh. This girl, she was in the bathroom going like this. Okay. And then after she bumped her head in the door. She bumped her head in the door. Okay, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you watched part 1. If you guys want a part 3, comment it down below. Okay, so anyways, Hi guys. This should probably be my new intro. Hey savages, how you doing? Should it be like that? Yeah. Okay, so pretend this is the start of the video. Hey savages, how you doing? Okay, that's good. Okay, anyways, bye savages.